Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We are jumping right into today's video. Finally, I'm doing another modification to the Jeep Wrangler JL, which has been a modification I've been meaning to do literally since I bought it. And I haven't gotten around to doing it, but it's a very important thing. So, we are going to be installing some really simple floor mats. Now, the company reached out to me, Tabtez that reached out to me. They asked like, hey, we have the floor mats, you want to check them out. After doing a little more research into the company, they've been inside of the floor mat game for a very long time. So I'm actually really excited to see what their floor mats are going to be inside of the Jeep, because I've been meaning to put some in there. It honestly helps out a lot, just getting in and out, especially doing off-roading, plenty of places where there's just dust and dirt. Getting in and out, it's been kind of a lot for the Jeep, so we're trying to keep it clean. So I'm excited to get this stuff installed. So let me do a quick unboxing and I'll show you guys what the product looks like. So as you can see, simple box. Let's get this guy opened up. Okay guys, so actually after opening this up, this is actually a little bit better material than what I thought it was going to be. Let me get actually kind of close for you guys. So you can see there's like a weave inside this. Still is kind of, there's like texture to it, but it looks pretty cool. So, pretty self-explanatory. You put them in, put the tabs into the mounting spots inside of the Jeep. Let's do that right now. To show you guys what I have in here right now, just pretty much these just rug ones. They're nothing special. These are the Jeep ones. I'm gonna take those ones off, do a quick vacuum in here, and then we're gonna just put the other ones down, but this is gonna help out a lot. Okay, just did a quick cleaning. Now we're gonna take our old floor mats. We're gonna put them back over here with the old Corvette floor mats. Let's get these guys installed. I'm really excited to see how they're gonna look. Okay guys, so this is a pretty effective, simple modification, but it does help out a lot. I will say I like the fact that it covers pretty much the entire floor. It clips into the little mounting brackets that, you know, that you in for like a floor mat, and it looks pretty cool. And I also really like the fact that for the rear, it covers up this little middle section, because my other floor mats did not do that, so that's pretty cool. I'm actually like pretty pumped up to have protection inside of the back completely, especially because your cup holders are right here, so anything that will spill will go right on here. Pop these bad boys out, just wash them down. I will say this material is pretty cool as well, so I'm excited though to have some floor mats finally. And honestly, sometimes the most simple modification makes the biggest difference. I always say anything that's inside the interior, anything that you touch, you feel, you see, makes a big difference. So I'm excited to have these new floor mats in there. So if you guys want, I will say the company did send me this product out, but if you guys want, you can check out the link down below. I will save you 10% if you want to get these floor mats. I think they're priced around $150, but you save 10% with the coupon code down below if you click the link. They're decent floor mats, guys. My updated impressions down the line. If anything happens to them, I'll let you guys know. But for right now, honestly, I think they're pretty good. I'm liking them, so we'll see how it goes. But if you guys haven't, check out this video right here. This was my last video, which we did an update on the C5 Corvette. We have a lot more content coming with that. Check out my channel. See you in the next video. See ya.